guys! Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, we will continue our Tartelette Palette Edition. And for today, we will be using our Tartelette Palette in Bloom. For my makeup base, I'll be using this Cushion Compact of Clinique in Fresh Beige. And for my eyebrows, I'll be using this K palette One Day Tattoo. And of course, my favorite Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade. I will use this K palette One Day Tattoo to give some trace on my eyebrows. The Tartelette in Bloom. Then, I will use this color. This is Funny Girl. Then, I'll put another round of Rebel. Round of Rebel again for the other eye. A little bit of this Activist to give more pop to my eyes. For my eyeliner, I'll use this Stila. Arden Grand Entrance. Then I will use again this Rebel for my lower lash line. And for my blush, I will use this Elizabeth Arden and I will use this shimmer for my highlights. And for my nose line, I will use Rebel for my nose line. And for my lipstick, I'll be using this Urban Decay Metal Meets Matte Lipstick Palette. I will use this shade Back Talk. To finish our look, I will put some shimmer or highlighter. Our final look for our Tartelette palette in Bloom. I hope you like this makeup. So please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel.